How to check when a Discord account was made. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to check when a Discord account was made. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in order to do that, what you need to do is to just head over to this gear icon right here in order to head over to your user settings. Then from in there, you can see in here the user settings, right? But what you need to do is to just scroll down from in there until you see this advanced option. So click on this advanced option and make sure the developer mode is turned on. Now once you have turned on the developer mode, you can just head over to your friend. Then from in there, just right click their name. And then from in there, you can see this copy user ID. So click on this copy user ID. And then once you have copied it, you can just head over to another tab and then just search for Discord lookup right here. So just click on this Discord lookup link, and then from in there you can just paste in the ID that you have copied. Click on lookup right here and make sure to answer this anti-robot verification. So just right here you can see that I have successfully looked up this person, and as you can see it is created on July 6, 2023 at around this time. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to check when a Discord account was made. So if you have any questions or comments, just comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer them. Thanks!